Well, good Saturday morning, everybody. How's y'all doing today? Man, it's amazing what new glasses will do for you. I'm telling you. Man, look at all that. Man, I can see all you guys out there now. But anyways, hey, this is going to be just a real quick video. A look in the box of the Cessna 172 Seaplane. That I'm going to start building here. So, as usual, let me flip this camera around and show you what's in the box. Hang on, I'll be right back. Alrighty, this is the one. It's a 1/48 scale. Put out by Essie Ertl, and the original version of this Rambler 69, old Tom, he looked it up for me, and the original version of this was put out by Essie in '81, and then Ertl repopped it in '83, it looks like, and this particular box came out in '88. So, but it has got some really nice detail on it. Just give you a kind of a quick overview here of the parts, and then I'll try and show you a little bit of the detail on it. Not very many parts, a low part count, which is fine with me because the whole purpose of doing this model right now is to try the this new water technique that I wanted to do. And those are the decals. Comes with two different sets of decals. I will probably be using the blue ones. But there's your clear pieces, which are really good shape. I was real surprised. They're in real good shape. But the detail here on the plane is really nice. And then even on the inside, it's got some nice detail. So anyways, like I said, that's going to be just a real quick look at what's in the box. Oh, and let me make one correction here. I said in my last video that this is going to be the first plane that I'd never built planes before. But then I was reminded, good old CRS strikes again, but I was reminded of the Blue Angels dial that I did for the Classic Plastic 101 appreciation build. So yes, I have built small egg planes before, but not a real plane. Let's call this a real plane. So I stand corrected on my last video. So anyways, there's the seats, the seat supports, the propeller there. Oh, one last thing. James Morris, the idea that you gave me is an excellent idea, and I'm going to see if I can't make that happen. I really like that idea. So I'm going to see if I can't make that happen on this build. So might be another little surprise in there for you guys, besides the water diorama. So anyways, that's it. That's all I had for you today, guys. I'm going to be getting started on this today, and hopefully I'll have the first update for you in maybe a couple of days. Alright, so we'll see y'all later. You have a good weekend. Be careful, be safe. Hope you get lots of bench time in. Talk to y'all later. Bye.